Hello friends, welcome back to my channel All Kinds of Astrology and Foreign Travel. Earlier I have shared a video with you that what are the connections to go to a foreign country or settle over there. Some people might want to go to a foreign country to live permanently, or some people are there who just want to go for a visit or on travel purpose. Okay, please check back that particular video also on foreign travel and settlement. You'll get some idea. And today in this video, I'm going to explain some very important connections for foreign travel in Nadi astrology. If you have these kind of combinations, you have 100% chance of going to a foreign country or settling over there or living permanently. Okay, let's start. So in Nadi astrology, I already explained that how can we see combinations. First, you need to learn that. You can refer back my earlier videos for that. I'm just explaining in a simple way. Of course, every planet connects in trine. Okay, 159, 37, 11, or 48, 12. Okay, suppose a planet is sitting here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever planet is sitting is in this particular house, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in this particular house, these are trine houses to this particular house. Okay, similarly, if a planet is sitting here, you count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then this is the fifth house, 6, 7, 8, 9, this is the ninth house. 1, 5, 9, 3, 7, 11, or 4, 8, 12. You just need to add 4. Okay, so you need to see combinations accordingly. Sometimes you need to see 1, 7 also. Of course, it's there. And adjoining houses also. In this case, whatever I am going to explain today, these rules are applicable. Suppose I am saying a combination of Saturn plus Moon plus Rahu. Okay. Now, if you see, Saturn is here, Rahu is here. Okay. And Moon is suppose with Saturn or Rahu. So, this is one connection. If they are sitting together in a particular house, beautiful, 100% chance, Saturn plus Moon plus Rahu. Okay. Now, if they are in adjoining houses, suppose Rahu is there, if Saturn is there and Moon is there in adjoining houses. Okay. So we can count this also. And suppose Rahu is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Saturn is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Moon is here. Okay. This combination also you need to consider because this is Nadi astrology technique. Okay. Now I'm going to start. If you have connection of Rahu, okay, plus Jupiter plus Moon. Moon is the mandatory planet in foreign travel. Okay, because you already know Moon is a travel indicator. Okay, so in any combination, Moon has to be there. Otherwise, you cannot go anywhere. Okay. Now, if this combination sits, it happens in a particular house, in any of the houses, combining. Here, house is not important. You just need to see in any of the houses in your horoscope if these three planets are sitting together or aspecting each other or in 159 connection. Okay, or 1, 7 connection. Or Rahu is here, Jupiter is here, or Moon is here, and vice versa. You can do the permutations and combinations accordingly. So if these three planets are conjoining, then you will have 100% chance of going to a foreign country. and even settling over there. Okay. Next, if Jupiter is not here, Saturn is here. Saturn, Moon, and Rahu. Same. You will go to a foreign country and may live there permanently. And if Saturn is there, I can assure that this particular native will go for what purpose. He or she might, you know, settle over there, but first he or she will go for working purpose. Okay, any consignment, any new project. Okay, companies wants to, send them. I have seen these kind of connections in their chart. Now change this Rahu with Ketu. Okay, if Ketu with Saturn and Moon, then it would be a foreign journey, but for a shorter period. Okay, no foreign settlement. It would be short journeys or long journeys, but for a shorter period, 1 month, 2 month. Okay, you might go for a tour. Okay, this is short term. If Ketu, Jupiter, and Moon is there, okay, Saturn or Jupiter, okay, Ketu, Jupiter, Moon, again same thing, short term. You will go to a foreign country for a shorter period of time. One more connection, if Rahu plus Venus plus Moon, okay, this combination is there in a female horoscope, or this is only for females. If you see Venus plus Rahu plus Moon, they are sitting together, combined with each other, or aspecting each other, or in 159 connection in trine. Okay, this particular girl or the native would definitely go to a foreign country and settle over there. Again, so it's for long term or settlement, because whenever we see settlement, then we have to see Rahu, and long journeys also. If we change this with Ketu, then again for a female native, this which I have explained earlier, for male and female both, all the connections, okay, but this is specially for females only. So if you have Ketu plus Venus plus Moon, this combination, then you might go for a trip, or you can go on travel purpose. You can visit foreign country for sure, but there will be no settlement. Okay. For more connections, you need to see that particular video. Okay, where I have explained all the connections to go to a foreign country and settle over there, or even for a working purpose. You need to check that video. This is few more connections actually I needed to explain in Nadi astrology technique, so I have done it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my videos, please put a like, share your views on the comment section. If you want to ask me anything, use the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.